B to the I to the A to the S-I-A. What's up, what's good? It's your girl ZiAsia, and I'm back once again to slay your day. So if you love all things beauty, fashion, and fun, be sure to hit the subscribe button down below. Now, if you've been paying attention, then you already know I told y'all what was coming, okay? I told y'all I was finna rock frontals this summer. I told y'all I'm trying to do all kind of hairstyles. I'm trying to have 2 ponytails, 1 bun. I'm trying to have all the colors. I'm trying to taste the rainbow. I'm trying to do it all summer 2019, y'all. This wig I made myself, y'all. Yes, this is a ZiAsia original y'all looking at. I made this wig back in November. I've had it since roughly about Thanksgiving, and it's held up pretty good. I took it around the world. It's been to Mexico, it's been to Jamaica. Feel me? This wig has held it down. I got this hair from QT Hair. It's an AliExpress store direct from China. You probably won't believe me when I tell you that this wig cost me $115 to make. Yes, that is super duper affordable compared to what people are paying for bundles as well as the install to make them. By the way, I will make y'all wigs, sis. Just drop me a little note in the email. We're gonna come up with something hot. Don't worry about it, okay? You gonna get yourself a ZiAsia original, okay? Most people can't even pronounce that. They won't know what it is. So hit me up if you're trying to get your wig game late for summer 2019. Wow. But anyway, back to what I was saying. So here is the hair, here is the packaging it came in. It came from FedEx and it took about 7 days. I'm missing a bundle. Stop playing. I have located the bundle, do not panic y'all. So I have 3 bundles here as well as a 12-inch frontal. And it also came with a pair of eyelashes and a wig cap, which is a nice touch. I don't know if it's because it's been in the pack so long, but I'm noticing quite a bit of frizz. The hair is soft. I haven't had any shedding yet. I haven't experienced any shedding, so that's good. This will be the furthest bundle, so it'll be approximately installed right there. And the limb check on this, that's right about your bra. That's about 14 inches. The frizz, that might be a problem because if y'all don't know, I am planning on dyeing this hair, but I'm not going to tell y'all which color just yet. Just make sure y'all stay tuned. Let's see, the 16 will probably be like the middle of my head. And let's go ahead and stretch that out. Yes, that is about 16. QT Hair unfortunately did not have any straight hair available for me to purchase. I would have much rather preferred to get the 613 bundles straight hair just because it's a hassle to have to straighten it for the look that I'm trying to achieve. But I did end up getting a good deal on this hair. And if you want to know how much I paid, just stay tuned. One thing I like about this hair is that it doesn't have a yellow brassy tone. Although I do plan on toning this hair when I dye it, I don't think it'll be much of an issue because I want to achieve a nice, soft, pale color. I'm not looking to go bold or brassy. So that's one thing I can appreciate about this hair straight out of the pack. It has a more of a white undertone than a brass yellow one. So I think that will definitely benefit me. It'll be down here and it'll end about right there. But you know, that's probably the only good thing about being short, y'all, is that my bundles is a little bit longer than everybody else. Now, I'm gonna be honest with y'all, this is not the best hair I've ever had, okay? There are different levels of virgin hair. I mean, it's not bad, but it's not like the best. And I'm not saying that to be negative because this hair is great for beginners. If you know, you just started making wigs and you don't wanna spend $500, $600 on bundles just to get practice making human hair wigs, this is a great alternative. That's why I'm using it, because I plan on coloring this hair, cutting this hair, doing all kind of stuff to get my skills up so that when I do buy expensive bundles, I know what to do. So there we go, y'all. There is my 12-inch frontal body wave, and these knots have already been pre-bleached. It looks like the hairline has already been plucked on this wig, and baby hairs have been added as well, which will definitely save me a ton of time. So shout out to QT Hair, they definitely looked out with this frontal. For the 3 bundles in the frontal, it ran me about $142.97. Okay, I'm lying. I don't know the exact numbers, y'all, but it was like 140 something, okay? It was like in the early 40s, which in my opinion is a great deal because blonde hair tends to be a little bit more expensive than natural colored hair, and I'm getting a frontal as well. So like I said before, this is a great option for those of you who are just starting out making your own human hair wigs. So there you have it. That is my unboxing and review of QT Hair's 613 Brazilian body wig bundles along with their frontal. I highly recommend this company, and the link will be in the description box below to this hair as well as some other great options. If you haven't yet, don't forget to subscribe and comment down below and let me know what color you think I should dye this hair. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you next time.